How's it going, everybody? I am here at a rental to pick up a fridge. I don't know if y'all can see that. That fridge right there. Got to pick it up and haul it off. Buddy of mine that I work with at my other job. So I'm gonna knock on the attendant's door and let them know I'm here and come back and get my dolly. So I'll catch you on the loop. All right. Yeah, I'm like, well, oh, my feet are all wet now. God damn it. Anywho, this is it. I'll get all this picked up and haul it off and be done. My feet are soaked, but it's done. Got the last door right here, so I'll pick up this little tray, but take this and that's it. Walk it back out to my truck, go back and pick up the shelf that fell out the door. We are good. Ooh, yuck. Well, that was it. Just a quick pickup and haul off. So it's a rental house. It was a broke down fridge that the attendant or the landlord asked me to come pick up and haul off, get out of the back of his yard. So I did it and I am done. So I'm heading home. Feet are now wet, my socks are soaked, and now I just gotta get out of this yard. Oh yeah, I got stuck in my front yard. My wife's gonna love those ruts. Y'all have a great one, guys.